Hello my friends, welcome to Prime Strings. I'm Henriette and today we're playing On a High Wire from the Tetratunes book. I'll play it for you first. When we play this piece, you have noticed that it is played first on the E string and then a bit on the A string as well. So what I'd like us to do first is practice our first finger when it comes on the E string. So we're going to play E1 and we'll do that a couple of times. Can you join in with me? That your finger line is level with the E string. So if your finger is drooped down a little bit, bring it back up again like that. Your thumb should be just peeking over the edge like that. When you've got that sorted and you've got a nice wide space for a tennis ball here, you're on the right lines. Well done. Okay, now let's play the first finger on the A string. We'll play A first and then B. Can you try and let your fingers sound exactly the same as mine? We'll do it again. Lovely. Now hover your finger just above that spot and we'll play the song from the beginning, but bear in mind that your finger first comes down on the E string. Are you ready? After 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest, rest. And you may know already that we play all the minims with whole bows and all the crotchets with half bows. So this time when we play it together, we're going to focus on the bow. And I want you to check over your bow hold. I want to see a nice bent thumb. And I also want to see a nice curved little finger, which is on the side edge of your bow, like that. And let's see if you can hold your bow in that position all the time, all the way along, from the beginning to the end of this piece. Right, let's test our finger, E1. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Lift up and a straight bow on that last A. You can hold your violin like this if you find that easier, and we're really going to try and stretch our bow arm forward so that at the end of your bow stroke your hand is straight in front of your tummy. Okay, so here we go on the long A. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 4. And you can see that my bow has gone straight along the bridge. If this happens when you play, You see my bow is going over the fingerboard. That's not where we want to have it, and it is because my hand has gone to my side. Look, my hand should have gone much more in front, you see, and that's when my bow gets straight. Now let's play that last note of On a High Wire again, shall we? Try your hardest to push your bow arm forwards. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. That was super playing, well done. Let's play the whole song once again, shall we? So check over your finger line, your thumb and your tennis ball. Check over your bow hold, and we're going to play with your best positions everywhere if you possibly can. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest and playing. Well done. I hope you've enjoyed this lesson. Practice this piece every day if you can, and you'll be soon very good at it. And I look forward to seeing you again soon. Goodbye.